In Bumblebrook, everything sparkled with color. Cameron, a curious boy, loved colors more than anything. He wore bright red sneakers and drew rainbow dragons. But one morning, he woke up to find everything gray, even his favorite rainbow cereal. Cameron ran downstairs to find his mom's red teapot and the family's orange cat, Whiskers, turned gray. He rushed to the town square, where the mayor and townsfolk were worried about the missing colors. Cameron decided to find the missing colors. He set off on an adventure with his backpack, flashlight, and crayons. His first stop was the Whispering Woods, where he found a Color Sprite hiding. The Color Sprite explained that people stopped noticing colors, so they stopped shining. Cameron drew a purple swirl on a leaf, bringing back its color. He promised to notice the colors. Next, Cameron climbed the Mountain of Moods, where a gray sky cloud whispered about the lack of smiles. Cameron sang a silly song, making the cloud giggle and burst with color. As Cameron returned to Bumblebrook, colors reappeared with every step. Flowers bloomed, birds sang, and Whiskers regained his orange hue. The townsfolk cheered as a rainbow smiley face appeared in the sky. That night, Color Sprites danced outside Cameron's window, thanking him for reminding the world to see again. Cameron promised to always notice the little things, where magic lives. Cameron's adventure taught the importance of noticing colors, creativity, and kindness. One person can make the world shine again. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.